Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Monday, March 30th, 2020. I want to show you what your assignment is for today in science. So this assignment is going to be put into Google Classroom, and it will have space for you to make a copy for yourself. So when you have your own copy and you're here to work on it, the first thing I want you to do is up here where the name is, I want you to put your name, just like that, but put your name. Okay? So if you see that this presentation is going to walk through food chains and food webs, it has some passages you're going to read as well as some practice. It's important to remember that you do not want to view this in present, so do not click present because then you won't be able to move things around as we go through the presentation. Okay, so it shows you a picture here that you should see the slides off to the side. It should not be in this view here because then you won't be able to do the fun things. Okay, so if you notice, I've included some breaks here. So where it says Monday, any slides after Monday until you get to Tuesday, that is what your assignment is for today. So what today's assignment is you're going to read about interdependence. So you're going to read these 3 short paragraphs here that just talk about interdependence. And then you're going to in this section here, you're going to drag and drop all of these animals into the ecosystem that you believe that they exist in. So, for example, where do you think an owl would exist? Would it be the forest, the savanna, or the Arctic? And it would be the forest. So you're going to click, if you see there are these little hands here, if you click that, you can drag it into the correct spot. Okay? Here it's going to walk you through a food chain. So it's talking about a temperate forest, and it's a food chain that represents the relationship between some of these organisms. So we have a berry bush here, we have a rabbit, we have an owl, and we have a mushroom. So you're going to read through that to see how they all connect with each other. You're then going to do a short reading on producers, consumers, and decomposers. This should not be new information for you. You should hopefully remember this. We did talk about this briefly in class, and we also talked about it as well in past assignments while we were working from home. So you're going to read through that. And then you're going to answer this exit ticket here to finish today. It says, why do you think decomposers are important in ecosystems? So make sure you really read this decomposer section, and then I want you to type your answer here. It should be in a complete sentence, and you should have proper grammar. Why do you think decomposers are important in ecosystems? All right, and then you'll see that you'll get to Tuesday. So that means anything after this, you'll then do tomorrow. So you just have to do these few slides today for our science assignment. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know. I can be reached by email.